Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security here. We've just installed a aftermarket subwoofer on a factory stereo system on a Vauxhall Insignia 2015. Get a lot of customers asking whether we can or can an aftermarket sub be added to a factory system, and the answer is yes. We also fit customers products where they've bought elsewhere or they've had lying around, like this subwoofer here. So let me show you just the front. There you go, that's the factory system. We've integrated it in. If you're interested in getting this done on your vehicle, give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching the video.